Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Download Zgame Editor and extract the package to a folder on your PC. Open the editor and create a new project using the project menu. Choose a project name and save location within a single folder for simplicity. Set the project FPS to 60 for smooth gameplay and responsive input. Configure your canvas to a 16:9 ratio for widescreen output. Keep sprite art under 1 MB total during early prototyping to speed asset loads and iterations. Create scenes and place objects using layers for background and collision. Name layers clearly and use one layer per role to avoid confusion. Drag sprites into objects and assign collision boxes in the inspector panel. Write scripts in the built-in editor using simple event loops and plain functions. Use clear variable names and comment every action to help future edits. Test gameplay frequently by running the play button and watching console errors for immediate feedback. Profile your game to maintain 60 FPS and reduce draw calls when needed. Remove unused objects and combine static sprites to lower rendering overhead. Compress textures and audio. Prefer 16-bit audio and optimized PNGs to save size. Keep runtime scripts efficient by avoiding heavy loops and excessive allocations. Use the export menu to build for Windows or HTML5 targets with one click. Verify the final package size stays under 10 MB for quick downloads and easy sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.